Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you are good and fine. 4th class, term 3, subject English. In previous class we will explain our poem. So today we will explain our objective type. Yes, our poem name is All Things Bright and Beautiful. All Things Bright and Beautiful. So we will complete this poem. Today we will start our grammar type. Yes, read and write. Fill in the blanks. Dash made all things and creatures. God made all things and creatures. He made the colors and wings of the birds. God gave us eyes to the dash. The beauty of all the things he made. See, eyes to see. God has made everything well. So answer these questions. ये क्वेश्चन से आप बाद में व्हाट्सएप कर देंगे. Next bit. Underline the preposition in these sentences. So here grammar and vocabulary. See, words that connect nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence are called preposition. Preposition means words जो noun और pronoun रहते हैं उसके words we can call it preposition. Preposition often tell you where something is. They are followed by a noun or a pronoun. Examples क्या क्या रहते preposition on, above, below, beneath, up, under and beside are some prepositions. These are some prepositions. Okay, examples वो prepositions है. Examples, the boy is sitting on the horse. On means preposition. The kite is flying above the trees. Above is preposition. So next इसके हिसाब से अपन ये बीट करने का है. अंडरलाइन द प्रीपोजिशन इन दिस सेंटेंस. अपन को ये सेंटेंस में प्रीपोजिशन अंडरलाइन करने हैं प्रीपोजिशन को. हीरा क्लेम्ड अप द फ्लाइट ऑफ स्टेप्स. अप बोलते सो जो है ना प्रीपोजिशन है ये. द बॉयज हाउस इज अबोव दैट शॉप. अबोव प्रीपोजिशन. आई सा ए बुक ऑन द टेबल. On. The cat is sleeping under the cot. Under. The taller student stood behind the shorter student. What? Behind. ओके जो प्रीपोजिशंस है उसको अपन अंडरलाइन करें. ओके नेक्स्ट बिट डी बिट. टिक द करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन विथ इन ब्रैकेट्स. जो ब्रैकेट्स में है वो प्रीपोजिशन है, अपन उसको टिक करना है जो प्रीपोजिशन करेक्ट है इसको. देयर इज सम मिल्क इन विथ द बॉटल. वहाँ पर इन विथ है तो क्या आता है देयर इज सम मिल्क इन द बॉटल. इन. माई नाइबर वॉज हंग्री विथ फॉर मी. क्या आता विथ. माई नाइबर वॉज हंग्री विथ मी. The puppy fell dash the sofa. Dash the sofa means the puppy fell off the sofa into the sofa. Off the sofa. Salim sat dash his friend. Salim sat means Salim बैठे यहाँ तो क्या आता beside into beside. Next fourth one. The milkman knocked the door. Locked in the door. On the door. Knocked on the door means on. Kushki baked a cake for of his grandpa on in her birthday. तो यहाँ पर क्या टू है. यहाँ पर 2 सेंटेंस है. 2 सेंटेंस को अपन प्रॉपर करने का है. ओके कुश्की पैक्ड ए केक फॉर हिज ग्रैंडपा. फॉर आता है यहाँ पर for his grandpa. This is preposition. Next his grandpa on his birthday. On her birthday. On. Next, fill in the blanks with preposition. Fill in the blanks with preposition. There are 3 baby birds dash the nest the dash the top branch. क्या था वहाँ? Which it in there are 3 baby birds in the nest. In the nest. Nest the dash top branches. Nest with the top. With the top branches. The sun is directly dash our heads now. Directly our heads now. Sorry. The nest on the top. On the top. The sun is directly above. Directly above our heads now. Roots grow dash the soil and streams grow the soil. What? Roots grow under the soil. Under the soil and the streams grow above the soil. Above the soil. Please share the sweets with your brother. With your brother. Lakshmi will return from school soon. School soon. Next, what do you the words in capital letters bring to your mind? Write them. Yes, I hope you can understand today's objective types. So your homework is A bit and C bit. Homework one time. Write in your English notebook. Thank you, students.